To measure abdomen circumference, place the measuring tape level of the umbilicus or greatest anterior extension of the abdomen. Ask permission before you begin wrapping it around them. Line the measuring tape up and then record your findings. Another place that you can measure circumference is the hips and buttocks. Have them stand feet together and measure around the widest part of the hips. Line up the measuring tape and record your findings. Next, this is how you take skin fold measurements on a male. The first measuring site would be the chest. Always gain consent before measuring. Measure halfway between the anterior axillary line and the nipple, and then place a line. Measure 1 centimeter up from that line and mark. Pinch diagonal in a wide grip pinch, and then separate the muscle and subcutaneous fat. The calipers should be between the crest of the fold and the base of the fold. The next site is the abdomen. Find the center of belly button and measure 2 centimeters to the right and mark. Then measure 1 centimeter directly above and mark there. This is going to be a vertical skin fold. Use your left hand to pinch using a wide grip pinch and grab the calipers with the right hand. The next measuring site is the thigh. Lift the right leg up and make sure the thigh is parallel to the ground. Measure from the hip crest to the edge of the patella, and then mark the midway point. Measure 1 centimeter directly above that and make another mark. Then have the client put their leg down and have their right foot rest on top of their left foot. Use the wide grip pinch with your left hand and use the calipers with your left. Next is women. The first measuring site is the tricep. Have them stand feet together, arms down by your side, roll up any sleeves. Bend the elbow at a 90-degree angle, and measure shoulder to elbow and find the midpoint and mark. And then mark 1 centimeter above that mark. Pinch at the top mark from behind. Pinch with the calipers with the right hand and measure. The next site is the superilium. Place a mark right above the hip bone on the right side. Measure horizontally right above the hip bone